everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing well despite our current circumstances. I have this unboxing. It's kind of an unexpected unboxing to share with you guys, and since my last one was really well received, I thought I would share this one as well. I'm going to get right into it because I'm so excited. This is a true unboxing. I have not opened it yet, and I will kind of explain why I chose to purchase this after I open it. So let's get right into it. Please don't please don't look at my nails or ignore how terrible my nails look. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this to come today, and but I did want to do a true unboxing, and my nails look terrible, so just please ignore those. All right, let's get right into this. So I purchased this from a seller on Instagram, and they have a website too called, oh, it's backwards, called Dear Luxe, and highly recommend her. She was so helpful. I had a ton of questions before I purchased, and she answered all the questions and was really patient. Yeah, so this is their logo, Dear Luxe. And it was shipped from Hong Kong and got here very quickly. That's why I said I was not expecting it today. I was not expecting it this quickly. So to reveal, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Another Chanel 19 bag. So this one is from, I believe it's from 19K, which was the first release of the 19 bag, and it is in the turquoise color, which, if you know me, is not a surprise because turquoise is my favorite color. So I did recently get the black 19 bag from the most current collection, and I love it so much. I immediately knew that it was going to be just one of those bags that I'm going to use a lot and absolutely love. So I knew I wanted to get another one. I've been trying not to have duplicates in my collection. I've sold a lot of my duplicates, but for this style in particular, I knew I wanted a duplicate because I like the black, but I wanted one in a color. And sorry, this has been packaged so well, and I'm trying to get this off so you can see it properly. I'm just going to use my scissors. So when I saw this, I thought maybe I'd wait, until new colors were released. But when I saw this one available, I had actually seen this one unboxed on, you probably may have seen her videos. If you haven't, I'll link her Instagram down below, My Perspective, and her YouTube channel. She unboxed this back when it came out, and I absolutely loved it. And I don't think she kept hers. She didn't, actually. I know she didn't. But yeah, when I saw that color, I was like, ooh, that is the perfect color for me. Now, this one is different from my black one in that it's the lambskin, but it does not feel like lambskin. That's the only reason I decided to get it. I have sold all my lambskin bags, but this is like a treated lambskin, so it feels... Honestly, it feels just as durable as my goatskin one, thankfully. The color is coming up slightly darker than it is in person. The color is beautiful. It is a beautiful kind of medium turquoise. It's not too dark, not too light. It's really pretty, and against this gold, it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Yeah, and I got it for, I just couldn't resist because this color seems pretty rare. I've never seen it on the resale market before, or at least not recently since I've been looking. And it was a great price. It was just under the US retail price, which if you've been kind of following the resale market for Chanel 19 bags, they are going for above retail, like way above retail, because they're such in-demand bags. So yeah, I could not resist. Oh, it's so pretty. I was planning actually to film a review, a Chanel 19 bag kind of first impressions review. So I will do that soon, and I'm going to compare the lambskin to the goatskin in that video. With this video, I just wanted to do the reveal and kind of share my experience. Yeah, it's beautiful. This, it was listed in new condition. The previous owner apparently only used it for a couple of hours one day. So yeah, it looks to be perfect. I'm going to give it obviously a good inspection once I'm off camera, but yeah, it looks great. So I highly recommend Dear Luxe. Like I said, the experience was amazing. Shipping was lightning fast. Answered all my questions, was so lovely to deal with. So thank you so much, Dear Luxe, and thank you to My Perspective for inspiring this purchase. Yeah, I'm gonna try to take some pictures to post on Instagram because the color is coming up darker than it actually is in person. It's such a beautiful color. I'm gonna keep this video short, but thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.